were thinking of doing a song together or something like that, and he said, you know, I've got fucking thousands of the fucking songs all over. And I'm going, well, look, you know, let's see some. And he goes, they're over there, like that. And there's this sort of garbage, sort of pile of garbage over in the corner, and I kind of go over there and sort of start pulling out these pieces of paper, and there's like great songs on it, and they're just sort of thrown over in a pile. And you know, I mean, so I think he goes around. The creative process for him is in a very irreverent one in a way, but at the same time, they are very considered in his songs as well. It's quite odd, really. I've been loving you a long time, down all the years, down all the days, and I've cried for all your troubles, smiled at your funny little ways, watched our friends grow up together, and we saw them as they fell. Oh, some of them fell into heaven, and some of them fell into hell. Well, I took shelter from a shower, and I stepped into your arms on a rainy night in Soho. The wind was whistling all its charms. Now this song is nearly over. We may never find out what it means, but there's a light I hold before me, and you're the measure of my dreams, the measure of